Welcome to another vlog. This week has been, but you know, we persevere and we move on. I'm currently waiting on my last client. I only had 2 clients today. I had a little bit of a late start this whole week, like I said, but all is well. This is like my throw-on wig at this point. This was actually my birthday wig, and I got this wig from Amazon. It wasn't a horrible wig, actually. It's a curly 30-inch. When I say I literally, my birthday happened, I came home from my trip, I threw this wig in the closet. And I just took it out recently, put this headband on, and I'm braiding the braids. But right now, I'm about to define the curls with this. This is my favorite mousse. So I'm gonna see if this like give the hair a different vibe, honestly, because what I was using wasn't really like legit products. It was just like some quick stuff I bought while I was away. So I got about an hour until my next client, and I'm currently charging my camera, so I'm on my phone. But I told y'all, I was talking to y'all about, in my last vlog, I was talking to y'all about me redoing my space and starting that towards the end of September, beginning October. And next week will be the start of that. So in this hour, what I'm gonna do is start kind of like deep cleaning, decluttering, and like just getting rid of stuff that I need to get rid of, obviously. And making space and room for new. Next week I leave to go out of town for my best friend's birthday, my homegirl's birthday. And I'm gonna have my uncle, the one who painted everything and hung my pictures on my wall and everything. I'm gonna have him come in and do the paint I want him to do, which I don't know if I mentioned, but I want more black. So I want him to do this main wall where my station sits black. I would say that wall as well, but I don't think I'm gonna do much with that picture wall except switch out the prints, because it took so much work, first of all, to get the picture up there. I just feel like that would be so rude and so disrespectful to myself and to him to remove all that. But I do want to get new prints of work. Definitely the shoot I did with my homegirl Kiana for it was either Women's History or Black History. I forget what we did that for, but I definitely want those pictures printed out for sure. I want to start purchasing my new equipment. I want to get a new shampoo ball. I want to get a new station set up. Literally whole new vibe, like same vibe, but like, y'all know, like how I did my suite last time. It was the same vibe, but we just kind of like changed it up just a little bit. And it's almost like I kind of want to go. Oh, this is getting deep. But yeah, so like same vibe though as like the last week, like just I need to refresh everything, you know? But yeah, I'm excited about that. I want a new hair dryer. I also got this steamer for my birthday, and I still have yet to put that up. So I'm gonna see if my uncle could put it up for me when he comes and paint. I figure it would be perfect time to paint while I'm out of sleep for about 4 or 5 days. That just makes the most sense to me, because it shouldn't take too long. Honestly, it's just one big wall that he gotta do versus the whole suite, because last time he had to do literally my whole entire suite. And it was like a mustard yellow, so like he had to do coats and coats and coats of painting. So it was a lot going on. But yeah, Anyway, I'm gonna finish doing this. I'm gonna check back in later and give y'all an update, show y'all what I get done in this hour that I have. I need to go to the nail shop tomorrow so bad because if I don't go to the nail shop this weekend, I'm gonna have to go to the nail shop in Miami. Which, I don't know. Tell me, am I crazy? Do y'all do this too? I don't pressure myself to do everything and to get every single thing done before traveling if I don't have enough time, because literally I'll just get it when I go. And I can say every trip, because normally I'm working up until the very, very last like 5 hours before I leave, or 12 hours before I leave. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm working up into the very moment I leave to go out of town. Trip, on my last trip, y'all, kid you not, I have literally got my nails done and my toes done. There. No, I've got my toes done. I've got my pedicures. Can't get it this weekend. I'm gonna just start searching to find a salon close to our hotel. But I don't know, y'all. We gonna see. And now let's see how this works. If this is gonna be good.